It's so hot.
Oh yeah, hey.
Oh, I got the boob sweat.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's not that bad though, right?
Oh, guys.
What is it today?
It's over 90 degrees. 32 Celsius.
Ooh, I just got a little chill. I'm gonna throw on my jacket. That's nice. Bet you could go for a cold beverage, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm starting with some Montana Tan, 4 to 5 ounce thick that I picked up from Tandy Leather. Then I place my template on top of it and cut it out with some shears. And from there I just trace out the template. And then using a rotary knife and a straight edge, I'm cutting out that template. And for those intricate corners, I'm using a brass knife, but you can use an X-Acto blade or a box cutter. And then at the top, I'm just going to be beveling with a fine edge beveler. This leather is a bit soft temper, so it's kind of harder to bevel. So I'm just going to do a quick pass on it. And just to give this koozie some texture, I'm adding some grooves that you would normally use for your stitching holes, but this is just more for the cosmetic appeal of it. And using a wing divider, I'm going to place where my stitching line is going to go. And using my KS blade punch pricking irons, I'm going to be hammering out my holes. For the stitching, I wanted to do an X pattern on the outside, so it crosses underneath on the inside, and then does the X on the outside of the piece. You'll see what that looks like in just a second. Once you're done sewing after going back a couple stitches, just burn those thread ends so they don't pull through. And then repeat the process for the other side. And that's it. Oop. Then just grab your favorite cold beverage and you're good to go. Alright guys, well there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an easy project that can be done well within an hour. I don't have a koozie pattern that I want to share just yet, since I have to make some micro adjustments to the pattern that I already have. I'm on Instagram at legacybrandleather. Go ahead and give me a follow there. I post product photos, process photos, and general rugged vibes. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and please subscribe. It shows me that I want to see more videos and more content like this. And besides that, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and no cats were harmed in the filming of this video, just purely annoyed. Stay safe out there.